Season 2, Episode 20, Weather Words, Part 2. Let's get started. And for some of you, you may want to know synonyms for snow. Snow is a natural phenomenon that occurs during the winter season. It's a type of precipitation that falls from clouds in the form of ice crystals. Snow also has many synonyms, some of which are commonly used in higher-level conversations about weather. Some examples include blizzard, B-L-I-Z-Z-A-R-D, which refers to a severe snowstorm with strong winds and low visibility, and sleet, S-L-E-E-T, which is a mixture of snow and rain or freezing rain. Another synonym for snow is powder, P-O-W-D-E-R. This term describes freshly fallen snow that has not been packed down or melted yet. Powder snow makes for great skiing and other winter activities because it is light and fluffy. On the other hand, slush, S-L-U-S-H, refers to a partially melted snow that has turned into a wet, slushy mess on the streets. In addition to these common synonyms for snow, there are also regional terms which are used in different parts of the world. For example, in Scotland, they use the word snaw, S-N-A-W, instead of snow. But no matter what you call it, though, there's no denying that snow can have a significant impact on our lives and communities during the colder months. Here are some synonyms for windy. In the realm of weather, there are many ways to describe windy conditions. One could say that it is blustery, B-L-U-S-T-E-R-Y, outside, implying a strong and gusty wind. Another option is to use the word breezy, B-R-E-E-Z-Y, which suggests a gentler and more pleasant wind that still has some force behind it. If the wind is particularly intense and turbulent, one might opt for using the term tempestuous, T-E-M-P-E-S-T-U-O-U-S. For those looking for more specific adjectives, there are plenty of options as well. For example, if the wind feels cold and biting on your skin, you could describe it as cutting or raw. On the other hand, if the wind feels warm and balmy on a summer day, you might use the words like sultry, S-U-L-T-R-Y, or muggy, M-U-G-G-Y, instead. In conclusion, using higher-level words to describe weather can greatly enhance the listener's understanding and enjoyment of the conversation. Words such as tempestuous or blustery convey a sense of power and unpredictability that cannot be captured with common terms like windy or stormy. Similarly, phrases like scorching heat or frigid cold provide a much more vivid picture of extreme temperatures. However, it's important to use these descriptive words in moderation and in context. Overuse of unusual vocabulary can make your conversation sound forced or pretentious, while failing to match the tone of the overall conversation, and can create confusion for your listener. Additionally, it's critical to ensure that descriptive language does not distract from your main message. Overall, incorporating high-level descriptions can be an effective tool for adding depth and nuance to descriptions of climate conditions. Use them wisely in your conversation and writing. Now, here are some more jokes about the weather.
Why shouldn't you tell a joke while standing on ice? Because it might crack up. What did the rain say to the earth? I'm falling for you. What do you say on a snowy day? Snow problem. Why did the thermometer go to college? It wanted a degree. Where does a snowman keep its money? In a snowbank. Why didn't the icicle go to school? He's too cool for school. Where do snowmen put their websites? On the winternet. What do snowmen sleep on? A blanket of snow. What's the richest kind of air? A billionaire. What falls but never hits the ground? The temperature. Who does everyone listen to but no one believes? The weather reporter. Why is the sun so smart? Because it has over 5,000 degrees. What is the best day to go to the beach? Sunday, of course. What did one raindrop say to the other? Two's company, three's a cloud. What type of humor does a dust storm have? A very dry sense of humor. What does a mountain wear on its head? A snowcap.
And that wraps up part 2 of Weather Words. In our next episode, we'll be talking about business lingo, slang and phrases that are commonly used in business and business meetings. Until then, I hope your day is full of sunshine and bright memories. Until then, it's Herbert Lee saying bye for now.